Hi folks, welcome to my small English garden. Today I'm going to harvest some cucumbers. As the missus said, can you get me some cucumbers from the garden? Now the problem with I got is sometimes I overdo it and grow too many vegetables. Because as it's only two of us, as you would see in a minute how much cucumbers I've grown. So without further ado, let's go and harvest some cucumbers and gherkins. Let's have a look how is my melon doing. Ah, it's turning into a nice little melon. What's the other one? I've got another one over there. This one's grown long. That must have been a dad seed because he hasn't got any melons on it. Let's go now look at the other two. These are gherkins. Quickly. I need to come and water these. Any more? Let's have a look. Let's keep these here for a minute. These are gherkins as well. are small cucumbers or gherkins. Nice selection. This is the second harvest. Nice. Now I'm not going to be able to eat all this, so what I'm going to do is put them in a bag and start giving it to friends, because I'll be having them more growing. Like I said, I got carried away and grew too many cucumber and gherkin plants, so I should be putting these in a bag and giving to some of my friends. And there is some of the peaches that I harvested this morning. They're ripe now. Let's have a taste. Look at the juice. Full of juice. And that's where the ants was going for. Lovely. There's nothing like growing your own, harvesting and eating. That's the enjoyment of gardening. Thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.